Hello, friends! Have you ever been helped by the police? The police are responsible for the safety of citizens, traffic, and the safety of the city. Let's see brave police car together!
Hello! Hi there! Oh! Ta-da! Okay!
I am police car. I am police car. I am police car. I'm a brave police car. Trouble picker is over there. You can't run away from me. You're all under arrest. I'm a brave police car.
Hey! Stop! Wait, please. Do you understand? Uh-oh. I'm so sorry.
I am police car. I am police car. I am police car. I'm a kind police car. Someone lost the way. He is on his way home. Don't worry, I'll take him home. I'm a kind police car.
Wait, please. Oh, hey! Thank you so much. It's so nice. Bye. See you.
I am police car. I am police car. I am police car. I'm a cool police car. Oh, there is a traffic jam. Turn on the light. Let me control traffic. I'm a cool police car.
What happened? Oh, let's move. Hurry up. Thank you. All right. Okay. Wahoo!
I am police car. I am police car. I am police car. I'm a brave police car.
Come here. Yay! See you later.
抖音